Hey y'all, it's Danielle Jones and it is time for our monthly Azure haul. So this is the last one that I'm getting before my big huge stock up. So I save up and I do 2 big stock ups a year, normally like March, April, and then like September, October. And so what I do with that is I just go through my whole pantry, see what I need to stock up on, the things that I've run out of. So I try in that time to buy the things I'm gonna use 6 months worth, and then every month I still get an order of like fresh produce and the things that we use every month. So let's dive into what I got this month. I needed a bunch of bulk goods, not gonna make it to my stock up. So the first one was yellow popcorn. I ran out and we eat this multiple times a week. So I definitely needed more popcorn. I am doing this in the house today, so you are going to hear all the noises. For 25 pounds of yellow popcorn, I paid $29.30 or $1.17 a pound. Then I have 25 pounds of organic brown rice. That was $37.46 or $1.50 a pound. And then some rolled oats under there for 25 pounds was $17.24 or 69 cents a pound. Sorry, this is what the noise is. Are you playing with the Azure box?
Yeah.
Yes, this is fun, right? More fun than all the Azure stuff. We have most of the seeds we need, I think, for the garden. The only thing we don't have, because we just can't seem to grow it, is corn and popcorn. So we needed more. We try every year, we fail every year. This year, we're gonna succeed, I feel it. So the packets of Golden Bantam sweet corn, Golden Bantam sweet corn, 100 seeds per packet is $3.28 a packet. And then the early pink popcorn seed, I have no idea how that's gonna sound with her doing that the whole time. Pushing the box around everywhere. The early pink popcorn seeds are $8.35 for the 4 ounce, which they say has about 770 seeds. So this is our year. Everyone, believe that with me. It's our year. My licorice girl is out of licorice. This is our favorite. We get the black and the strawberry, and we are out of strawberry. Not gonna make it till next month's stock up. And we get 12 of those for $8.33, so that's 69 cents a piece. Got our wild blueberries. We have been paying more for these than the regular blueberries, but they're smaller and we like them in like muffins and things. So we actually end up using less, if that makes sense, because they're smaller. So they last longer. $17.35 for the 5-pound box, $3.47 a pound. And then the rest of my order is produce. There I have the 10-pound of mango. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 huge mangoes for $19.95 each, or just about $2 a pound. And then our apples. I always get apples whenever they have them. This month I got Gala. They look nice and fresh, and some of them are actually pretty big. $56.50 for 40 pounds or $1.41 a pound. That's about the same price I pay at Costco, except we all seem to like Azure's produce better. Back there, I got blood oranges for $52.95 for 25 pounds, so $2.12 a pound. And then under the mango are 2 cases of the pears. So they could be red or green. These are the number 2s, but they look great, to be honest. I don't think they look like number 2s at all. We seem to have gotten all green, which is fine. We don't have a preference. So it was $28 for every 20 pounds. I got 40 pounds. $1.40 a pound. So my total for all of this was $333.28. That includes the shipping minus the Azure cash. And then next month will be my big, giant, humongous stock up. That was a great haul, wasn't it? If you want to see the big one next month, make sure to like and subscribe and let us know what you got in your haul this month. Thanks for joining us.